Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Series 11. Today is day number 18 and today's sketch is by Peace Craft Love. And this is a 3-photo sketch and it looks like maybe it has some torn paper in the background, some embellishment areas, some splatters, mixed media type splatters. Anyway, I'm going to do my own thing. I'm going to use that sketch as my basis to start my layout, but I'm really going to do my own thing because I'm working with 6x6 papers today. Today is Mad for Minis. That is a series that Moira is doing, and so I wanted to follow along with that just kind of randomly, nothing formal, just to play along to get some of my 6x6 papers used up. So what I did was I pulled in this kit that I had brought together from an Allison Davis class from a while ago. I've been plugging away at this kit, but I haven't used it all up. And so I pulled it out. The sketch itself is with 3 photos and I have 2 to use. So I'm going to set those aside. And with this, I pulled in, this is the paper pad that I had in the original kit. And I have used the heck out of it, y'all. I have lots of scraps in here. Let me open that up for you so you can see where I've punched all those circles. And there's leftover bits of scraps. As far as full 6x6 sheets, there's not that many. I did go ahead and pull in this set from Heidi Swapp. That one was called Dreamy, and this one is called Favorite Things. And I've used the heck out of this one too. I don't have a ton of 6x6 papers left in here, but I do have quite a few scraps. And so I plan to pull those in as well if I need them. So I have both of those, and then this was everything that was in the original kit. I pulled the other collection in, the other paper pad in, only because it matched all the supplies that I have been using all month so far. So I thought, why not? In this, I have a couple of stamp sets, plus I have in my kit that my multiple kits that I have been working out of this month, I do have a couple of stamp sets there. I have a tray with some punched out circles, some stickers that already have adhesive on the back. I have die cuts here. I have wood veneer. I have sequins. I have washi tape. I have all sorts of enamel dots and puffy stickers and blings. I have brads. There's some more puffy stickers. I have this whole collection here from Freckled Fawn, alphabets included, and it's got lovely colors in there that match that second paper pad so well. They match the first one too, but they really match the second one very well. So I have lots of random stickers from my collection in here, and I just pull these at whim when I put them in this kit. There was no rhyme or reason. And so I've been plugging away. These are some that I have had for years and years, and I have just kept hold of them because, you know, I like them. And so as long as I like them, they stay in my collection. They never leave. Until I get to a point where either I'm tired of looking at them, or they don't suit my style anymore, or they're just not appealing, and then I will move them out of my stash. And then I have some big sticker sheets in here. And you can see I have tons of selections left on there. There's alphabets. There's another of those alphabets from Freckled Fawn that's already been used. There's 2 sheets there. There's this set of American Crafts thickers called Celebrate. And then this one, Charming. And this is the second one from there. So anywho, that is everything that I have in this kit. I don't know exactly what I'm going to pull to use with my photos, but I'm going to pull something, obviously, from this whole kit and caboodle. And you will see it in just a few minutes. I'm going to show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. So give me a second and I'll be back. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 18, and for this one I use papers from this 6x6 paper pad, and these are what I have left over. I used a couple of sheets in their entirety, but then I used bits and pieces of others. This was actually a scrap from back in the back, so yeah, that got used, not this one. I pulled in a couple of washi tapes. This is the one that was with the 6x6 kit, and then this is the one that is with my other stash of embellishments. I used a tiny little heart from this sticker sheet. I used a greenish tone heart, small like that one from there. I used a ton of these little brads, and then the two images that were there, they came off whenever I pulled the brads out. I did not use that. I thought I was going to, but then I didn't. I used the label stickers from here. I used an arrow sticker from here, or a, or a pennant sticker, I guess. And then I used a couple of photo corners from here. And from here, I had some brackets that I used up. This one, I had one little acetate sentiment on here, and I used it. This pack has been in my collection. This is 2013, and I used all the stickers, so I'm really proud of that. So that is going into my trash. Then I used this alphabet font for my title. I used a sticker from here, and I used a border from here. So let me show you the layout. Oh, and I did pull in some Heidi Swap Color Shine in pink or rose. Yeah, I used that on my layout. Can you believe that? I did that. And then I used this washi tape, not for the washi tape, but for the ring around it, and just used it. It's almost out. This one is almost done, y'all. Goal, finish this. And I think that was it. That was everything that I used. Now here is the layout that I created. This one, I put my title down here at the bottom. The original sketch had like torn pieces across here. So I used a 6x6, cut it to a 3x3, and then tore the edges and put them here. And this is another 6x6, and I just laid them across here. I took my brads and I put them along here. I used one of those wood veneer frames, and I backed it with some of that scrap chevron-y paper. Then I put a sticker here with pop dots on either side to keep it up. I put that pennant sticker here with two of the hearts. You can see where I use this little washi tape roll to put these on. I'm not going to put it back down because it's still a little bit damp, and I don't want to tear the paper. So yeah, there's my one sticker with my labels underneath to make it pop up, and then my brackets are here. Border is there, and then, oh, did I show you this washi tape? Oh, I did. This is where I put the two washi tapes from both of the different collections that I pulled in. I used a full 6x6 behind each of these photos, but then I trimmed them down, and then I used the photo corners here. Yeah, and that's my layout. Anywho, this is my layout. Show you a bit of a close-up of those splatters. There's that central embellishment, and can you see the brads along there? I hope so. Anywho, I will have close-ups of the embellishment clusters at the end of the video if you're interested in seeing those. If you have not already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you hit that notification button, you will be notified each time that I upload a video, as well as it will be popped up in your feed for you to watch whenever you get ready to. Anyway, friends, I appreciate you being here. New friends as well, old friends especially, and I appreciate you, all of you. Anyway, have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.